man of the moment, another champion. Vice President Public Affairs Aram Kaur will present the trophy to the incredible Jasprit Bumrah. I'm just pausing to let the sound come through, Jasprit. Did you think when you were a kid growing up in Ahmedabad that far away here in Barbados you'd be seeing this kind of emotions?
Not at all, usually I'm the one who tries to keep my emotions in check and, try to focus on the job. But today, I don't have a lot of words. The emotions are taking over. I usually don't cry after a game, but, this feels really special. Midway stage, we felt we were in trouble, but to pull up over like this is an unreal feeling.
Is this the very best that you've bowled? Because I've seen cricket for a while. I've yet to see a white ball bowler bowl at this level consistently. What do you think of it?
I'm just really over the moon that, my son is here, my family is here, and I could do something special for India. We've been working really hard towards this, and we've come close. We just called Penshaw last time, but we were able to go through this time. There's no better feeling than that. We play the sport for this, for these days, for big stages, when you do well and you make your team through, there's no better feeling.
It's incredible that in a game that's normally dominated by batters, there's a bowler who's the player of the tournament, and right from the first game, you just looked like your rhythm was right, everything was right.
Yeah, it just felt good. I was trying to keep myself in a bubble because I was spending time with my family, not thinking too far ahead, staying where your feet are. All of these things are okay. Yes, we do say, but when comes the big day, you have to do it even more. You have to do what you have been doing, not to try over because it's required. So yeah, it just felt very good, and over the tournament I felt very clear and calm.
Was there ever pressure on you? Because you are the lead bowler. Was there ever pressure on you that your 4 overs are the key moments? And especially today when you came back for the 16.
I don't look at it like that because, whenever I'm in my peak mindset, I think of one ball at a time and 1 over at a time. If I think of the overall picture too early, I give out to the pressure and I try too hard sometimes. So this was what was working for me today. Yes, obviously emotions can take over and was taking over, but you have to keep yourself in check. But now the job is done, the emotions can come out and you can just scream it sharp.
Can I just ask you one final question on when you took the ball for the 16th over? It was 13 of 5 overs, the game was slipping out. You're standing at the top of your mark. Surely there's a thought going on that we'd love to share from you.
Yeah, it was, when it was another ball, we did think that, what is happening? When I came, I saw the ball was a little stumped up and it was reversible. So I thought, what is the difficult shot for the batsman? How will he, get beaten or I will get a wicket? So I thought left ball was an option, the ball was reverse swinging. I was happy that I was able to keep my calm and I was able to execute.
Go and put that trophy in your cabinet and take pride of place. Well done, Jasprit Bumrah. It's been an absolute honor watching you play cricket.
Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
विराट कोहली हम कितनी बार वर्ल्ड कप से पहले और वर्ल्ड कप के बीच में बात करके आए हैं. आज वर्ल्ड कप की बात कर रहे हैं, चैंपियन कप की बात कर रहे हैं. मुझे पता है आप इमोशंस को बहुत खूबसूरती से बना करते हैं. 2011 में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैप्टन की बात हुई, लेकिन आज बड़े रन नहीं मिलते, बड़ा मंच मिलते. Just take it from the moment you walked in. Just take it with me.
To be honest, I couldn't have imagined this in my wildest dreams. Also considering how my tournament had gone so far. It's a great lesson to me, really humbled by the game big time. Put my head down and put my ego on the side and say, you're nothing. If you feel like you are everything out there and you can do wonders, you're nothing. You really have to put your head down and respect the situation, and God showed me that if you try to get ahead of yourself, then I will pull you back and I will keep you in your spot. And today it was, I don't know, I just felt different today. I just felt like I was more anchored, more in sync with the situation. And just I was given the composure to just put aside everything that had gone on till now and really go take this decision.
विराट आपने फाइनल खेले हैं, आपने सेमीज खेले और पिछले कुछ सालों में इस फेल्ट की 2023 हमसे कोई निशा नहीं करता. Still remember you and Rohit, उसके बाद जो मोमेंट्स थे, just to prepare yourself कि एक और मौका है और बहुत पसंद है सबको. आप और रोहित एक साथ में कितनी बार बात की कि इस साथ का वर्ल्ड कप रिजल्ट रखे, इससे मायने क्या? विराट जीता है वर्ल्ड कप पहले, लेकिन आज ये वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के अपने करियर के इस मोड़ पे मायने क्या है विराट कोहली के?
बहुत ऑब्वियसली उसकी
वैल्यू क्या वो आंसू सिर्फ प्लेयर्स की आंखों में नहीं, वो आंसू 150 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा लोगों के आंखों में भी है, खुशी के आंसू। फैंस विश्व भर में, जी हाँ, कमर दियार, कमर द मैन, बड़ा प्लेयर, बड़ा मंच, बड़ी पारी, 59 गेंदों में मुश्किल वक्त में आए थे बल्लेबाजी करने, मुश्किल वक्त में उसको खेल के निकाला और अपने ही विराट अंदाज से फिनिश किया। महत्वपूर्ण पारी, प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच विराट कोहली। जहां 176 बनाई भारत, काफी क्लोज गए, एक बहुत रन बॉल, 30 रन, फिर आया हार्दिक का विकेट, क्लासिक को चलता किया। अगला ओवर बुमराह ने शानदार ओवर डाला, वो 16, और उसके बाद 7 रन से मैच को जीता भारत ने और बने चैंपियन आईसीसी मेंस T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2024। सिल्वरवेयर विश्व कप 13 साल बाद, बाकी 11 साल बाद वापस घर। चलिए बातचीत जारी रहेगी, चलते सीधा स्टूडियो से शो की तरफ।